Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add money in Uber wallet. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. So the first step you need to do is to open Uber application. Once you open Uber, then you simply need to click on the icon in the bottom right. And then you need to click on wallet, and once you click on wallet, you simply need to click on add funds, and here you have the option one time purchase auto refill. So you simply need to click on the one time purchase, and here in the bottom you will find the option of payment method. Then you need to click on select payment, and here you see the option of add payment method. Click on that, and you have two options, credit or debit card. So you select any option according to your choice. Then add amount in your wallet, and you can select amount here according to your choice. And you also have an option of auto refill, which you can use if you want to auto refill your funds in Uber wallet. So this is the process by which you can add money in Uber wallet. This is how you add money in Uber wallet. If you found this video helpful, thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.